In this video, you are going to learn the one thing that you need that's gonna grow your wealth and open up the gates to abundance with ease. So if you're an entrepreneur who's struggling with achieving your financial goals within your business, then this video is not to be missed. Hi, I'm Joveline, money mindset mentor and hypnotherapist, helping entrepreneurs like you remove subconscious money blocks and limiting beliefs so you can create more wealth and happiness in your life. Often when speaking to entrepreneurs, coaches, and therapists, we all have financial goals for our business and our lives. We might have a business plan detailing how we're going to achieve these goals, but for some reason, no matter what we do or what systems or staffs we have in place or how hard we work, we just can't seem to achieve these goals. It's like there's this invisible glass ceiling that stops the money from flowing in. You might believe that if you just work harder or if you gave more and helped more people, you'll start to make more. But still, it doesn't happen. Instead, you find yourself churning your wheels, working harder than before, and never getting anywhere. You might feel resentment towards others because they seem to be making huge amounts of money for less work. So what is it then that they have that you don't? What is the magic pill that they're taking that's making them lots more money than you? The number one thing that you need to grow your wealth with ease is to have a healthy money mindset. And the fact that you're struggling right now tells me that you have these deep-seated, subconscious limiting beliefs and money blocks around making money. It's all about the mindset. Now, what is a money block? A money block is a subconscious belief that you have that you aren't aware of consciously that makes you sabotage yourself or your business and prevents you from reaching your money goals. See your subconscious mind as a garden. From a very young age, we are planting seeds of thoughts in our subconscious, or someone else is planting it for us. Whatever you sow in your subconscious mind, you create in your body and in your environment. So the world that you create around you is influenced by your inner world. So if you lack money, or if you find that making money in your business or your life is difficult and requires large amounts of hard work, then there's something going on inside you that's affecting this. Now, from a very young age, we have unfortunately been conditioned by our environment and the people around us, particularly our parents. You might have grown up in a family where money was limited, or your parents were working double jobs just to make ends meet. Perhaps your parents were always struggling or stressed about money. You might have heard them say things like, money doesn't grow in trees. We can't afford that. Money is the root of all evil. Rich people are selfish. Money is hard to come by. You're always wasting money. You're never going to be rich. It's important to remember that these seeds of negativity or auto-suggestion gets implanted into our beautiful, healthy subconscious minds, and it grows over time, and it negatively impacts our mindset about money and our ability to achieve financial success. So when you get older and you're running your own business, you start to self-sabotage. Your subconscious mind starts telling you that I don't deserve to be wealthy. I'm always going to be broke. I have to work hard to make money. Money is the root of all of my problems. I'll never be able to succeed in business. I'll never be able to get out of debt. Why should I make money when the tax man is going to take it anyway? And so on and so on. So you could have the best business idea, the biggest goals, or the best environment to run your business. But if you don't have a healthy money mindset, no matter what you do, you will always find it difficult to make money easily and effortlessly. So what can you do about it? As you see your subconscious mind as the garden growing weeds of negativity, You then need to put the work into weeding and managing your garden so it's healthy and thriving. Work must be done to clear out the negative limiting beliefs in your subconscious, because by doing this, you will clear all the negative thoughts and emotions that you feel about money. You will feel a deep sense of self-confidence and self-worth. You'll be able to accept money easily and effortlessly without guilt. You'll be able to charge more for your products and services. You will finally be able to remove that invisible glass ceiling. And you'll find meaning and purpose in everything that you do. So, if you're ready to start working on your money blocks and limiting beliefs, be sure to subscribe to this channel, follow me on social, and register your interest to my Master Your Money Mindset course, which I'll be launching over the coming months. By being part of my world, you will learn all the tips and techniques to help you overcome your money blocks so you can finally reach your financial goals and create a better future for yourself and your family. If you want to go straight in and have a chat about your money struggles and learn about how you can work with me one-on-one, I am offering a free 45-minute strategy call for those who are serious about growing wealth in their business. So make sure you book yourself in the link in the description below. I look forward to helping you achieve your rich life. See you on the other side.